like I said, I've drawn my lines here to match the size of my yellow border, and I'm going to use a steel edge or a steel ruler, and I'm going to come just inside. Now you want to use the steel one because obviously we have the soldering iron or the wood burner that is rather hot. And I'm going to basically just go down and take my time so that I can get the heat to melt this covering. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time to do that. And of course you have a knife there which helps cut through. So it should give us a nice, pretty nice clean line there. I'm just going to hold this a little tighter. So hopefully this has got it all the way here. And let me bring that down a little bit more. Over there. Now what I can do is I can use my actual X-Acto, and I'm going to continue this cut on the other side here and just sort of come across there like that, and same way here. And the object is to pull this up all the way across, and you want to take your time with this part here, but also you have a nice sharp X-Acto blade. This blade probably could be replaced a little bit. I have a tendency to wait too long to replace my X-Acto blades, which I shouldn't do. Now slowly peel this up as you're watching it to make sure that these come out, and you can see that I'm starting to have a little bit right here. But I like using the heat iron because I don't have to worry about scoring the balsa wood and making the wing weak. And I will just continue to score on over to the other side here, so that when I pull it off, it comes completely off. And now I'm ready for my yellow to go over there. Now before I do that, I take some alcohol, and I used a Sharpie to make these lines here. And I'm going to take some alcohol and just go across this and clean off that blue. And each time I wet this a little better here so that I have plenty of alcohol on there to get rid of all of that blue. And a couple more shots here. Now, the other thing we're going to use Monokote trim solvent, and I like to use that on the edges here because it helps clean them up a little bit, and plus it helps seal it down, and any little glue that you had left over, it will tend to seal that edge together pretty well. So just a quick wipe with that, and you're ready for the iron.